Hey guys, Danny with RC Journeys with another update of my Flyhal F18 100-mile-an-hour car. I think I did the impossible. I don't know. Couple MIC lights later. Let's see. I did put that SC8 in here. Alright, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Looks like a Frankenstein, you know? Just like I said, Frankenstein. Alright. Like I said, we got the Rocket RC 6900 kV. We got the SC8 in there. Looks like a jumbo rumble, but it works. There you have it all there. Let's turn this baby on. And we are on. We on. Alright. There we go. I got the drag brake on, so you know. I had to tie strap the ESC on there because it was wiggly and jiggly, but it's all in there. It's on 2S right now. I still got this long cable I don't know what to do with yet. I gotta find somehow to, I don't know if I can tie strap, because that touches there, we're done. But anyway, yeah, there she is. Alright, so now we just got to get it to on the street, do some test runs, and see what we get. We're getting closer, guys. Closer, closer, closer. Getting closer. So we'll see what happens on our next time. I'm going to try to video some speed runs. And we go. Thanks for watching, guys. This is another video with RC Journeys with the Flyhal F18 Frankenstein. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.